Water spinach said this, right? Why can't water spinach be destroyed in our stomach? Huh? Is stomach acid not strong enough to fight water spinach? Spinach, yes. Chili peppers, yes. Just so you know how to save. When you come out, the red stuff is still there. It can also be disgusting.
I bring my shoes. I'm free to order my employees to do anything.
Camera. You can bring shoes. You're free to order your employees to do anything. But those who don't can also be monkeys. If you're told to be a prehistoric human, what should the employees do? I bring my shoes. I'm free to order. What should I do? Be a little brainy. Be a little brainy. Order those who are a little brainy who are still suitable for their job. Well, hey, this West Java. KDM has become a monkey until Kang Diddy Mulyadi commented laughingly. It seems like Kang Diddy also wants to follow suit. Follow him as an employee, maybe.
Unexpectedly, a TV1 reporter covering the flood was right in front of a netizen's house.
There was an empty one, and this has indeed become a condition. Less I am in the E area, especially in Bandung Regency. Where do I watch the news? At home? He really watches it at home, not on TV. At home, he watches people reporting the news. Yeah, putting his cell phone in front of the TV and then walking back and forth behind his father is an opportunity that will not be missed. It's not allowed to disturb him. But if he just pretends like he doesn't know, that's okay. Just pretending not to know. Oh my. So all this time, the live broadcast didn't use a cameraman. Did you guys just find out? Indeed, nowadays, there are many pre-reporters who are self-sufficient. Self-sufficient? What do they call it? Well, basically, they are independent, even using a cell phone.
Great.
The moment when the Oslo man was accepted.
Wait, what?
That Oslo guy again? Wow, this is so real. It's been a
while away. This is getting real.
Wow, dangerous. Oh, this is so dangerous. It seems so real.
Where did you receive it with?
Receive it at UJM. Cool. Who is this? Trump. Isn't it Kim Jong-un? The world has a diploma.